stuff about this movie, so we are really excited to see it. Joker's girlfriend, and she broke up with him, so I guess he put a target on her back. I seen a trailer way back when they were saying it was coming out, and it looked really, really good, so I got high hopes for this movie. We're gonna let y'all know what we think. Actually, snow. Serving liquor now. D.Blaze, what you get? What drink you get?
Jacket.
I got some popcorn. Yo. XD, we about to go see this movie, y'all. We will let y'all know. Okay guys, we are back. D.Blaze, Miya Janae. Y'all, Birds of a Prey, Harley Quinn. It's a great movie. It really was. It's all that they've been talking about. They ain't been talking it up. It's really a great movie. I feel like it really shows like the bad side of female empowerment, you know, because of course she's a villain, so but I think it's pretty cool the way that they laid the movie out and just throw money to it. Like, it actually was worth it. Happy we got to see it, because nobody was really in there, so we had to worry about not being able to hear. That's why I don't really like going to the movie theaters, but actually turned out pretty great, and it didn't feel, was it 2 hours?
Yeah.
It was about 2 hours, but it didn't really feel like it was no 2 hours long. It was really, really good though. A lot of great scenes in there. So if you're thinking about going to see the movie, it is worth the money.
You gotta pay attention. You gotta pay attention.
Right.
And that movie, you gotta pay attention.
It's a lot going on. A lot of movement, and it's a really great movie. I know I keep saying that, but it's a great movie. I love Marvel, and I hate seeing a Marvel movie that don't look like they really put too much into it. So they did well on that one. I give it to them. If you ain't seen it, go see the movie Birds of Prey, Harley Quinn.